If you have been keeping an eye on the ongoing corporate drama between OpenAI and Microsoft, you might have noticed some serious mixed signals lately that make it look like tech's biggest power couple is going through a bit of a rough patch. Just recently, rumors started swirling after reports surfaced that Microsoft was actively trying to replace some of OpenAI's software with its own in-house models, known as MAI, specifically to cut down on those massive computing costs inside apps like Word and Excel. Everyone started asking if these two inseparable giants were finally drifting apart and entering a messy breakup phase. But OpenAI just made a massive move to put all those rumors to bed once and for all. During the big launch event for their brand new model, GPT 5.6, OpenAI explicitly announced that this powerhouse is going to become the preferred model powering Microsoft 365 Copilot. They made sure to highlight in a blog post that GPT 5.6 will be supporting users across Microsoft's entire suite of productivity applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Cowork. They even threw in some classic partnership PR language, stating that their bond with Microsoft has always been about bringing the benefits of advanced artificial intelligence to more individuals and organizations, and that they are incredibly excited to keep building on that shared commitment. Now, if you read between the lines, what being a preferred model actually means in practice is still a little bit up in the air. It basically guarantees that OpenAI's software is going to stay deeply embedded in Microsoft's ecosystem, but it does not completely wipe away the previous reports. Remember, nobody ever said Microsoft was going to completely yank OpenAI out of their apps. They just said Microsoft is relying more and more on their own internal software to save a buck. So while OpenAI is trying to project a unified front and show the world that their situationship is perfectly fine, Microsoft is still quietly working in the background to build its own independent tech stack. It is an incredibly delicate balancing act where both companies need each other to dominate the market right now, but they are also preparing for a future where they might not have to share the crown anymore. Keep an eye on how your Copilot tools change over the next few weeks, because you will be testing the fruit of this tense partnership firsthand.